seamlessly woven by invisible threads of digital connectivity. A new breed of explorers has emerged. We are on the cusp of a new era, an age where data flows like a river, connecting objects, people, and places. This is the age of the Internet of Things, the IoT. In the heart of this digital revolution, we find a new generation, our children. Young minds as bright as the galaxies, their imaginations bursting with ideas that intertwine with the codes of the future. These aren't just children, they're architects of tomorrow, crafting worlds within lines of code and sculpting a future, one algorithm at a time. Imagine a young dreamer, no older than 10. A miniature robot scuttles across the desk, responding to the commands that have been carefully programmed into its digital mind. The youngster smiles as the creation dutifully obeys, navigating the miniature obstacle course that has been set up. This isn't just play. This is the young mind interacting with a world that many are yet to understand, shaping a future and ours. This journey with IoT starts with the first beep of the robot, and it is limitless, just like the potential of the young mind. Through IoT, these budding tech wizards aren't just learning to live in the world, they're learning to change it. We stand at the precipice of an age where technology is as natural to children as the rhythm of their own heartbeats. As we empower these digital natives with IoT, we're equipping them to write the next chapter of human evolution, one line of code at a time. Welcome to the future of learning. Welcome to the era of the Internet of Things. Welcome to Genius Bit Academy, where robotics and IoT come alive. Pioneering STEAM modules for a tech-forward future. Robotics, IoT, game developing, web developing, programming, all under one roof. Catering to tech enthusiasts aged 6 to 16 plus. Crafting tech leaders, challenging young minds in a fast-paced tech world. Disruptive, tech-savvy educators shaping Sri Lanka's future. Combining online learning, supervision, promoting STEM for real-world problem-solving, self-paced learning in a flexible, online environment, cultivating tech maestros for tomorrow's challenges, empowering students with ethical tech awareness, unwavering support for student skill development, evaluating mastery through exams and projects, celebrating tech innovation with exciting annual events, adrenaline-filled hackathons for collaborative tech experience, immersive workshops, thrilling robotic battles, recognizing our tech prodigies in a grand awards ceremony, tailored courses for every tech enthusiast. Inviting tech enthusiasts for a tech-driven learning journey. Connect with us. We're excited to embark on this tech adventure with you.